Hello there, welcome to our channel. So again, hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to create a 3D photo on your Facebook from your Android device. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to create a 3D photo from your Android device on Facebook, let's open up our Facebook app first. And after that, you can see the what's on your mind over here just beside the profile picture icon on the top left. Tap on what's on your mind. And now to create a 3D photo, let's first upload a photo. For me, it will be this one. And after that, now to apply a 3D effect, you can see the 3D option available over here. Tap on 3D, and it will take some time, but it will finally make it 3D. And you can see the effect has taken place, and when my mobile around, it's changing places. And there guys, this is how you create a 3D photo on Facebook from your Android device. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys.